In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove checkboxes in Google Keep if you've ever turned a note into a checklist and later decided you want it back to plain text. This quick guide will show you exactly how to do that on the web and explain what happens when you hide those checkboxes. First, open Google Keep in your browser and sign in if you're not already. Once you're in, find and open the note that currently uses checkboxes. You'll know it's a checklist if each line has a little box to the left. With that note open, look toward the bottom of the note for the three dots icon labeled More Options. Click that, and from the menu that appears, choose Hide Checkboxes. The moment you do, the checklist formatting is removed and your note returns to standard text. What does Hide Checkboxes really do? It simply removes the checkbox interface while keeping everything you typed exactly as it is. Your words, line breaks, order, and content are preserved. Nothing gets deleted, and you're not losing your work, just switching off the checklist look. If you change your mind later, open that same menu and choose Show Checkboxes to bring the boxes back instantly. Think of it like a toggle you can flip on and off whenever your note needs to change from task mode to reference mode and back again. A couple of helpful pointers as you do this. The Hide Checkboxes option only appears on notes that already have checkboxes, so if you don't see it, double-check that the note is actually a checklist. This change applies only to the note you're currently viewing. So if you have several checklist notes, you'll repeat the same steps in each one you want to convert back to text. Also, hiding checkboxes is reversible, so it's a safe way to tidy up a note for sharing or archiving without committing to a permanent change. This little toggle can be especially handy when a project moves from planning to documenting. Use checkboxes while you're actively tracking tasks, then hide them when you're summarizing outcomes or keeping a clean record. And because your content stays intact, you can confidently switch back to checkboxes whenever you're ready to act on those items again. That's all there is to it. Open the note, use the three dots menu, select Hide Checkboxes, and your checklist becomes a clean text note ready for reading, sharing, or filing away. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more streamlined Google Keep.